Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like lifestyle, luxury, and what else? Traveling. Okay, I should make traveling videos. So consider subscribing to my channel. If you don't like such videos, just don't bother yourself about all this and just watch what you like. Anyway, today I'm doing like unreal unboxing, which is like I already unboxed this like long time back in May. It was my birthday. My birthday 30 May. So I got a gift from my husband and it was very happy moment for me. So yep. And since then life was very busy with my kid, with traveling, with family, with friends, and so many things was going on. And without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Yeah. Okay. Today I got a gift from husband and it's from, I already unboxed this, but I'm going to unbox it again with you guys. Okay, it's already from Chanel. You can see I already unboxed it. I removed the ribbon and there's the camellia flower looking so pretty in there. Isn't that gorgeous? Why the lightning is like that? The lightning is really bad. Okay, there it is. So beautiful, so beautiful. So if you know which bag I got, please comment in the comments below.
Shall we? There we go. Going down. Side. Side. There it is. I already used this. I went with it to my country and everything. There is the ribbon, Chanel ribbon up. And nicely, and this is the, let me show you guys what is this. Lots of people ask what is this.
Yes, what is this? Lots of people ask what is this. I think wondering what is this. Okay. Here we go. It just comes like something like that. And inside this you got the cleaning cloths. It's like a glove. Like she clean your bag with it. And you got the instruction or booklet here. And that's it, nothing else in there. Just like an envelope. And here I think instruction how to take care of the bag and all the things in different languages. If you're wondering guys, this top is from H&M. And if you're fat, don't wear it. If you're skinny, it will look nice on you, because if you're fat, it will make you just fatter, which is me right now. But I don't give a damn. I love it. It's cute. I love it. It's gorgeous. So yep. And let's go back to our subject. This is the bag. The dustbin recently like changed, right? Did you guys realize that? Anyway, I kept it in the dust bag. I save it in its dust bag. You can, every time I take it, I again put it in its this one. Okay, just let me remove. If you guess, it's da-da-da-da. Yes, Chanel Coco handle. This is the mini size. Just keep that aside. This is Chanel Coco handle mini. It's so beautiful. It's so classy. It's like more classy than the classic Chanel classy bag. It's so amazing, isn't it? Okay, I was putting a bando here, but I just removed it for the video. Hermes bando. So there it is. Front, side, back. Got one pocket. You just can put a card there. That is play area card. And there it is. And it's in gold hardware, which is so pretty. Then here it is Chanel CC Paris. I hope you guys see that. Like a little bit here. Just let me focus the thing in there. I'm recording with my phone, so just please don't mind. And I want to show you the top. Definitely the strap is removable. You can put the strap here, and this like little thing, and here is Chanel 31 Recambon Paris or something. I don't know how to pronounce that. So beautiful, so cute, and so adorable. The inside, here written Chanel Paris, here written Chanel Paris, and the sticker's still there. I don't remove the stickers until they come off by themselves. It's so beautiful, guys. I really, if you haven't seen this one in person, please go to the nearest Chanel boutique and just go and see it. Don't be intimidated or anything, just have fun. Okay, my period pad already there. Oh. One compartment here, a slip compartment there, and another compartment here, like 3, 1, 2, and then in the middle slip. I hope you guys see that. And there's a zip compartment here at the end. This is a zipper compartment where I keep the authenticity card, and this is 27 series. Let me show you guys. And basically here is the strap. It's a bit similar to the what is that? It's a bit similar to the classic flap strap, like chain and leather all over, but this one, it has leather piece here, which is more comfy, and there you go. So let me do it just, and got a CC here and a CC there, so you put it there. And this bag is a shoulder bag. It's a shoulder bag, guys. You cannot wear it across body. Like if you wear it across body, it will, can you see it just hanging like under my breast, which is no, not good. If you wear it like on your shoulder, just like right on my hip. By the way, I'm 5'7", I think, I'm not sure. Okay, like that. And you can wear it handheld, definitely, like on the crack of your arm if you have slim hands. Maybe like not like this, it won't reach up to here like it does. Just, but handheld, it's so pretty handheld. Like, yes guys, I got this for my birthday. Let me show you what fits in this bag. Okay, here the bag from close, guys. So beautiful. And by the way, this is caviar leather, and it's beautiful and shiny compared to my boy bag. It's more like matte. Anyway, let me show you guys what fits in it. So you just open it here from the inside. Here my wallet, this is Victorine wallet. I just need to replace that button. Can you see, guys? I need to fix it, so I'm gonna put my wallet there. And what else? My Chanel mirror next to it, my tissue, lipstick, my YSL lipstick, and this is, what does it called? That's the name of it, and this is the color. So pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it there as well. Chewing gum right behind it. Still, I didn't go to this compartment is the biggest, and there is the small compartment. So I'm gonna keep that at the back, my keys, my hand cream. What else? My period pad. I always like to carry one in case I need it or somebody need it. It's nice to help others. And let's see if this wipes fit. Wipes. Yes, it does fit. And you can fit things there. And sunglasses. So this is my sunglasses. I just keep it in this one. And this is my brother sunglasses. Let me show you guys. I'm opening. Brother. So beautiful. If I'm gonna take it, put that in there. Okay, so far that's one, and still there's space here. You can put some cards there, and you can put in the zip pack. But this is what usually I carry, and because I live in tropical area, I just really need a sunglass. So you can keep your sunglass back there and just. Oh, okay. Sunglass is out. Let me try again. Oh no. Okay, sunglass is out, and it closed nicely without any issue. But the sunglass, there's like no space there to keep it. So that's all fit in there. That is what I usually take with me. I don't need any more things. Anything left now? That's all what I take with me. It's just beautiful, amazing. But can you just see, guys, this shine? So beautiful. So let's move on to the advantage and disadvantage of this bag. Okay. The first advantage, it has feet, so when you put it in the floor, it's protected. The second thing, it fit lots for a small bag, I think. The disadvantage, I have three things. First thing is the strap. The strap is, you cannot wear it crossbody, which is just annoying me sometimes, because I really sometimes need my bag to be crossbody. So that is one of the disadvantages of this bag. You cannot wear this bag a crossbody. Like, I don't know about Chanel, this like strap drops always, like they change from one to another. I don't know why. That like lots. Anyway, that's what first thing. Second thing, the corners already, like I told you guys I wore this, and you can see the corner already, like already I wore it for like a month and a half or something, and the corners already like. So if you buy this bag, you should be aware of the corners. They're like scuff. I need to moisturize them and take care of the corners. This side, the back side though, not much, but the front one are really bad. That's only the disadvantage of this bag. It's a beautiful bag. It's amazing. It's cute. It's adorable. When I saw this bag, I was like, oh my god, it's so adorable. Just ignore that tissue. It's so cute. It's so adorable, but just look at it. And I love everything about it except the strap drop, and I'm worried about the corners. Other than that, everything is just amazing about this bag. So beautiful. So if you're thinking of getting this bag, I'll say go ahead and get it. This size, if you get it in this size, go ahead and get it. If you don't carry lots of things, so if you like small like bag type of person, go for it. Actually, in camera it looked bigger than real. In real, it's looked like even like smaller and cuter. You guys need to see this in person. You go to the Chanel boutique and just have a look. Okay. As I said, there's two disadvantages: is the strap and the corners. Is just like, I'm worried about it. Other than that, it's great. It has that Mona Lisa smile pocket or something they call it, and you have some card here. Okay, what is this? Fabiland or something for some play area. You can fit a card or two here, but don't stretch it. I'd say don't stretch it much. It's amazing bag, it's beautiful bag, and I'll say go for it if you're considering getting this bag. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna see you again. I have a big massive luxury haul unboxing or something. So I'm gonna see you again next time. See ya, bye.